Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to enter text correction options on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just go to the languages and input, and here go to the manage keyword, your currently keyword. Now just tap here to the settings and click to enter correction. And as can you see, here we get our text correction options. For example, we can just disable the block of offensive words, and for example we can turn off the auto correction and more and other options. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.